Hi there, it's Tuesday today, and welcome to my daily vlog. So, I just got back from work. I had an early morning flight. It was supposed to be 4:30 in the morning, but it was rescheduled to 9 a.m. So, good thing I was able to still sleep for a few more hours before I go to work. So now just got back home. I just changed, took a shower, and I'm off to town center to get a pimple injection. Ah, I really hate it. I'm so lazy to go out today, but I don't have any choice but to go there today. So there, it's really hot today, and I'm not really in the mood to go out, but I don't have any choice. I need to take care of my face, so I'm off to town center. Then I will just stay in a coffee shop and edit my vlogs. So there, come with me today and join me as I chill. See you. Just got here in the car. So, natapos ko na yung kailangan ko gawin sa coffee shop. Actually, isa na lang ang hindi ko pa nagagawa. Mag-edit ng content. Pero, gagawin natin yan. Magagawa natin yan. So, I'll just look somewhere to eat bago umuwi. So, I'm thinking of KFC kaya. There's a nearby KFC here. So, parang dun ko bala kumain ng dinner. Samahan niyo ako mag-dinner, tara. Hey guys, so nakabili na ako ng dinner ko dito sa KFC. Dito tayo mag-dinner ngayon. Alfresco dining. So, there. Yan ang dinner ko tonight. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong binili ko, in-order ko. So, I got myself 2 pieces chicken, original flavor, original recipe pala. Wing part, yan. Favorite ko talaga wing part. Ayoko na mga rib, leg, thigh, ayoko na mga ganyan. It's either I go for wing part or breast part. So, ayan. Alfresco dining tayo. tonight. Actually, hindi naman sobrang init ngayong mga oras na to. Kaya masarap naman. Masarap naman dito sa Alfresco. Ayan. Set up muna natin. Tara, kain tayo. Samahan niyo ako kumain for dinner. May pusa sa ilalim. Tapos gusto niyo pa ako unahan sa chicken. Di pa ako makain na eh. Tapos nag-aabang mo siya agad sa chicken. Mahilig sa chicken. Pasalamat kasi Dollar allergic sa chicken. Kaya pwede mo kunin yung chicken mo. Anyway, tara kain tayo. Sa pag KFC talaga ang sarap ng ang sarap ng balat nila pag original recipe, tsaka yung gravy nila ang sarap. Kaya hindi mo masisisi ibang tao na sinasabaw talaga nila yung gravy sa kanin nila. Mamaya ka na. Gusto talaga kumain ng KFC chicken ng pusa. Tambay na nga sa KFC tapos wala pa nagbibigay sa akin ng chicken dito. So full. Busog na ako sa 2 pieces chicken. So, I'm on my way to the car. So, uwi na tayo. Netflix na lang tayo sa bahay. So, I just parked home, guys. I'm already home. And thank you for joining me on my daily vlog today. And it's time for us to just relax and chill in the room and just watch my Netflix series. So, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.